Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Marvel Rivals stuck on loading screen problem for the PC. Okay, it's pretty easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is open up Steam. Find Marvel Rivals in your Steam library right here, right click on it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Okay. Now after you've done that, you want to try to run this game as administrator. So under installed files, go to browse. Here you'll see Marvel Rivals launcher. Right click on this and say run as administrator, or you can click on properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator. Hit apply, hit OK. And the last thing you want to do is turn off Windows Defender. So in the search bar, type in Windows Defender Firewall, and then you'll see private networks, guest or public network, etc., etc. Basically, you want to turn the Windows Defender off and turn this off, and then relaunch it again to see if that fixes the issue. That is it. If that helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you.